Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Microsoft Teams easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for Microsoft Teams, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.microsoft.com/in-us/microsoft-teams. Once the page loads, locate the Sign Up for Free button. Click on the Sign Up for Free button to proceed. You may be prompted to sign in with an existing Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, select Create One to set up a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. Once your account is created, you will receive a verification email. Check your email inbox for the verification message. Click on the verification link provided in the email. After verifying your email, return to the Teams sign-up page. You will be asked to fill in additional information, such as your name and company name. Next, select your country and enter your phone number. Choose whether you'd like to receive updates and promotions from Microsoft. Click Next to move to the next step. You may need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've read through the terms, check the box to agree. Now, click Sign Up to finalize your registration. After signing up, you'll be directed to the Teams welcome page. From here, you can choose to download the desktop. If you opt for the desktop app, click on the download link. Once the download is complete, open the installer to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Microsoft Teams on your computer. After installation, launch the Teams application. Sign in using the Microsoft account credentials you just created. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to use Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.